We're launching a brand new Did You Know video series to share tips, tricks, and insider features of EmagineNET QuickCheck. Every 2 weeks, we'll highlight a different tool or option inside QuickCheck designed to make your check cashing operations smarter, safer, and more efficient. For our first tip, let's talk about remote approvals with the EmagineNET mobile app. This free tool gives you the power to approve or decline 10 checks from anywhere, not just from behind the counter. Here's how it works. A cashier receives a high-value check and flags it for review. In seconds, the owner gets a mobile alert, reviews the details at their fingertips to see everything the cashier sees and more. From company and customer history, network activity, bank account status when available, and even customer and check images. With broader experience, owners can make faster, better informed decisions. That's it. Simple, secure, and done at your fingertips. This feature is included for all users on the standard plan or higher and comes with 10 free remote approvals per month. Need more? No problem. Unlimited approval plans are available if needed. Just contact our customer care team to learn more. EmagineNET QuickCheck. Smarter, safer, stronger.